Hi, this is how to recover a Gmail account without a phone number. First, go to your browser and search for supportgoogle.com. Scroll up, look for this link support.google.com. Click on it and then describe your issue, type recover, click the first result how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Then here, go to the community tab. Alright, then scroll down, click ask now, then fill this first field, tell us your question. I'll put here Google account recovery. Scroll up, add some details. There you go, just put some description on what you need help. So just put here, hi, I lost access to my phone number and email password. Help. Then scroll up, select category, select account access and recovery. Hit next, and there you go. It is sent to the support of Google account, their support team, and after 24 hours, you will receive a response on the current Gmail account that is logged in on this Chrome. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.